In previous videos, we discussed what digital analytics is and how Google Analytics measures user engagement. In this article, we are going to discuss the structure of analytics account. In order to collect business-related user data from your website or app, you need to have Google Analytics account. If you already have signed up for Gmail account or Google account, you can directly log in at analytics.google.com. Google Analytics service is part of Google Marketing Platform. Google Marketing Platform provides tools for advertising and digital analytics for small and enterprise level businesses. You can log in to your analytics account from this link as well. It will take you to Google Marketing Platform, and here you can click sign in to start using the service or learn and work with the available tools Google Marketing Platform provides if you already have logged in. On desktop version of the Analytics, Google Analytics 4 interface will look something like this. In coming videos, we will discuss each section in detail. This is the demo account, so your data might look different from this one. You can download mobile app for the Google Analytics as well. It's super easy to see insights and create reports in dashboard using metrics from user behavior, ads, and e-commerce data in Google Analytics app. Google Analytics 4 provides flexibility to collect and analyze data of all types of businesses in one place. To understand how Google Analytics gathers data and presents you with insightful reports, it's necessary to understand Google Analytics account structure. Google Analytics 4 account structure is pretty straightforward. It comprises of account, property, and data streams. At the top level in Google Analytics is the account. Your account is the container for all the properties. So what are the properties? Well, a property represents data for one logical user base. A user base is the number of audience of your brand or product that interacts with your business. Consider a business selling apparels. Users of this business may find it and interact with business via mobile or a website. A single property in Google Analytics account will be needed to hold the user data from app and website for this business. Let's see where can we locate our accounts and properties in Google Analytics interface. At the bottom left of Google Analytics 4, you will find a gear icon. Click this gear icon to open admin section of the Google Analytics 4 account. At the left side of admin section, you will see options for account and create account. Below create account button, there is drop down to select the account you want to work with. Currently, we have two accounts, my personal account and demo account. In the middle of the screen, there is option of property and create property. If you select your personal account, properties that you have added will show up. In my account, I have added blog site. If you select demo account, it will show its three properties in drop down. One Google Analytics 4 property for mobile app called Flood It. One Google Analytics 4 property for Google Merchandise Store, and one Universal Analytics property for Google Merchandise Store. GA4 account is the container for properties, and a property holds the data of users of a specific brand or products or data from a specific region. Flow of data from a customer touchpoint, that is from a website or app to Google Analytics account, is called data stream. Data streams live inside a property. If a business has a website, Android app, and iOS app, it will have one property with three data streams under one analytics account. One property in Google Analytics 4 account can have up to 50 data streams. That is, if a business has customers interacting at 50 digital platforms, you can collect their data inside a single property from 50 data streams. Let's have a look at data streams in Google Analytics demo account. Under property, click drop down and select Universal Analytics property for Google Merchandise Store. You can see there are no data streams in Universal Analytics property for Google Merchandise Store. because Universal Analytics used unique property for app, website, or any other source of data. In Google Analytics 4 property of Google Merchandise Store, there's only one website data stream. In Google Analytics 4 property for flooded app, there are three data streams, one for Android app users, one for iOS app users, and one for the website of the app. I hope this video clears your concept about Google Analytics 4 account structure.